Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong probability problem coming from MathCount 2025. And this problem is good for 30 seconds or less. So basic concepts lang naman yung i-discuss natin dito guys. As well as yung concept ng probability. So paano ba natin kino-compute? So the problem is two fair six-sided dice. So two fair six-sided dice are rolled. What is the probability that the product of the results is divisible by 3? So, yung una nating case is, or yung una nating gagawin dito is, we have to compute the total number of outcomes. So, alam naman natin na ang isang die has 6 faces. Since we have 2 dice, so we will just use the fundamental counting principle. So, we will just multiply 6 by 6. So, for the first die, we have 6 possible outcomes. And for the second one, we have also 6. So, therefore, the total number of outcomes is 36. Bakit natin kailangan to, Sir IJ? Because the concept of probability is that it is the ratio of the number of favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes. So, meron na tayong denominator. However, hindi natin kasi alam ano yung numerator natin. Ang sinabi, what is the probability that the product of the results is divisible by 3? So, for Sir IJ's POV, so in our, what you call this, yung intuition, ang pinakamadali para sa akin dito, is we will just use the complement, yung kabaligtaran. Tuwing kailan ba tayo makakakuha ng dalawang combination na hindi divisible by 3 yung product nila? Obviously, walang divisible by 3 dun sa kanila. Dun sa dalawa natin. Alam naman natin na sa isang die, meron tayong 6 faces, yung dalawang numbers na divisible by 3 are 3 and 6. So, they are divisible by 3. Yung mga hindi naman divisible by 3 are 1, 2, 4, and 5. So, applying the probability of the complement or the complementary probability. So we will just use the concept that it is equal to 1 minus the probability of not divisible by 3. Okay? So the required probability is 1 minus. So the first case is yung sa una nating die, ano yung probability na hindi siya divisible by 3? Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. So we have 4 over 6. Okay guys? Yung pangalawa, ganun din. Kasi same lang naman ang scenario eh. Another die. So 1 minus 4 over 6 times 4 over 6. So alam natin that 4 over 6 is also equal to 2/3. So 1 minus 2/3 times 2/3, that is 4 over 9. This is equal to 5 over 9. So ito yung pinaka-fastest way to solve this using the probability of the complement. However, you can also use yung case by case. Since ang gusto mo divisible by 3, so pwede nating i-consider na case is yung isa divisible by 3, yung isa ay hindi, tapos pareha silang divisible by 3, and then yung isa is not divisible by 3, and the other one is divisible by 3. So we have 3 cases. So yung case 1 natin guys, so pwede nyo naman gawin to, kaya lang medyo matagal in considering yung time constraint. So case 1, divisible by 3, and hindi divisible by 3. So ilan ba yung divisible by 3, Sir IJ? Dalawa. Ilan yung hindi divisible by 3? 4. So, pag tinimes natin to 8. Case 2 naman natin, kabaligtaran niya. So, meron tayong hindi, and then meron tayong check. So, same process, 4 and 2. So, 4 times 2, so that is equal to 8. Case 3, parehas divisible by 3. So, dalawa lang naman yung divisible by 3, 3 and 6. So, magiging 2 and 2. So, parehas naka-check yan. Sir IJ, ano po yung naka-check at ano yung naka-x? Yung x natin yung bilang ng hindi divisible by 3. Yung check natin yung divisible by 3 from 1 to 6. So we have 4. 8 plus 8 plus 4. So this is cases. So i-add natin yan, 20. Ilan yung total number of outcomes natin? 36. So the probability of the event is the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. So the required probability is 20 over 36, or in simplest form, that is also equivalent to 5 over 9. Di ba napakadali lang naman itong problem na to guys? So it's just a matter of mastering the basics, yung mga foundations natin. So if ever you have questions or clarifications, huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-comment sa comment section. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. I hope you all the best mga Lodi Cakes. Bye-bye and God bless.